So guys, I got it. I got the tractor. Oh my god. Oh my god, the mod is work. I found the shorts again. Tiny little smart and yeah, I got it. Yes. Oh wait, what? Hold on, wait, what? Hold on, how did that hold on? Are you kidding me? Did I just, oh my god. Are you kidding me? Hold on, guys. Here it is, guys, the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Oh, yes! Oh, guys, we did it! We did it! We did it! Guys, we unlocked it! Oh my god! Oh, hold on, this gotta be. Is this secret? Oh my god! Oh my god! It's an tractor engine. Gym book. What's that means? Oh, but anyways, we're gonna equip it, and here it is. Oh my god, I got it! I got the tractor, guys. Let's see it moving. Let's see it moving. Yeah, just not. It just the wheel not rolls, but yeah, just like that. But still, it's still cool. I got the special event. Yeah, special event engine. So yeah, my first special event engine. This the engine. I got it. Oh my god! And you can color the engine smoke. So yeah. Bye guys. Shorts, still shorts. I said still short. So yeah. Oh my god! I cannot believe I got it. Sorry guys. Shorts. This shorts is long, but anyways, it's still shorts, and it's amazing. And I only got it, and I only made it. So yeah, bye guys. See ya.